First up, let's get you some more breaking news. Connected, but not entirely, with the India-China situation is also the situation that erupted between India and Nepal. Now, as far as the situation is concerned, we're getting more from Indian government sources who are reiterating that they are carefully following developments in Nepal, that border issues are sensitive by nature and require trust and confidence to be resolved to mutual satisfaction, and that India continues to monitor the situation in Nepal. What the Indian sources are also telling Republic TV is that India is aware that there is a larger ongoing debate on the matter in Nepal, which underlines the seriousness of the issue. It also demonstrates the value being attached to relations between Nepal and India. Abhishek Kapoor, our executive editor, is joining us for more on this. So, Abhishek, India basically mentioning how there is a larger ongoing debate in Nepal on the issues that have cropped up between the two countries, maintaining that trust is going to be the key moving forward as far as India-Nepal issues are concerned.
Well, absolutely. And a very measured statement has come from the sources in the government, essentially the Ministry of External Affairs, in terms of the development that have taken place in Nepal, Shivani. And those are that there are internal dynamics at play, as we have been mentioning always, that whatever the government of KP Sharma Oli did was essentially a reflection of the turf war that is going on between him and his co-chairman of the Communist Party of Nepal, Pushpa Kumar Dahal Prachanda, as he is known. And what has happened today is that the Nepali Congress, the principal opposition party there, which has been in power for quite long earlier, has come out with a view that this process needs detailed understanding and review, and that's why it has to go to their own central working committee before a decision can be taken. Now, this cannot become the map which was changed by Oli overnight and brought to the cabinet and passed, cannot become part of Nepali law unless their parliament really passes it. So, internal dynamics in play, and the statement of the government of India essentially underscoring the fact that it's a delicate and serious situation, and that there are internal dynamics of Nepal at play. We are closely watching it, but what is important is the larger aspect of the India-Nepal relationship, which is of confidence and trust, which should not be lost. So I believe this is in diplomacy a very measured statement in terms of India closely watching the developments of what happens in Nepal. The facts remain on the ground that Lipulekh is integral part of India and has been in Indian possession de facto, both de jure both.
Abhishek, thanks a lot for bringing us more on that. Of course, everything that's happening vis-a-vis India-Nepal is also very curious, because there is, of course, a flashpoint between India and China also. And here on Republic TV, we're tracking all aspects of those scenarios.